Hello students, I Pushpinder Kaur welcome you in the fourth video lecture based on the chapter haloalkanes and the haloarenes. In this video lecture, we will discuss some physical properties of the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. Before this, we have to discuss the nature of the carbon-halogen bond. As we know, the halogen group is more electronegative than the carbon. Therefore, the carbon-halogen bond is the polar bond, where the carbon having the some partial positive charge and the halogen group having the partial negative charge. Due to the presence of the partial positive charge, the carbon atom can be attacked by the nucleophile, means it acts as a nucleophilic center, and the halogen atoms can leave with the electron pair and it also act as a nucleophile. Remember, the X negative is act as a nucleophile when the carbon halogen bond get break only. Center and carbon act as a nucleophilic center and it welcomes a new nucleophile to get attached with the formation of the other compounds. Now in the discussion of the physical properties, firstly we will discuss the physical states of the various haloalkanes and the haloarenes. In the pure form, all the haloalkanes and the haloarenes compounds are the colorless in nature. However, the bromide and the iodide develops a color when exposed to air. All the volatile halogen compounds are sweet smelling compounds. The lower members, methyl halide to butyl halide, are the gaseous in nature, and the compounds from C5 to C12 means the alkyl halide having the number of carbon atom 5 to the alkyl halide having the number of carbon atom 12 are the liquid in state, and the higher members of the alkyl halides are always in the solid state. This condition is applicable to all the organic compounds. All the lower members of the organic compounds are always in the gaseous state and the higher members are in the solid state. The next property is the dipole moment. The polar bond of halogen bond, alkyl halide compounds having some dipole moment, and the electronegativity of the halides is decreases as we move down the group. Similarly, as the size of the halogen group is increases as we move down the group, the carbon halogen bond length is also increases and moment is decreases as we move from chlorine to iodine. Why? This order get reversed size of the fluorine. There are the inter-electronic repulsions and it is less electronegative than the chlorine. The fourth point is the molecular dipole depends on the geometry of the molecules, means the tetrahedral compounds are the polar in nature, and means the geometry of the alkyl halides is also decides the dipole moment of the various compounds. The next property is the boiling point. This property is very important. The trend of the boiling point of the haloalkanes caused by the many factors. The first factor is the number of the carbon atoms. As the length of the carbon chain is increases, the boiling point is also increases. Means the same when we going down the homologous series, the boiling point is increases. This is due to the increase in the relative molecular mass, which increases the weak van der Waals force of attractions, causing the boiling point increases. Means we move from the homologous series, there is an addition of the 14 gram of the mass. As the molecular mass is increases, the boiling point is also increases. And the another factor is the branching. The alkyl halides, as we know, the alkyl halides can be divided into the three categories: N alkyl halides, isoalkyl halide, and the neoalkyl halides. In case of the N, the surface area is larger as there are the straight line halide. As in case of the N alkyl halide, all the molecules are attached in the straight line. The straight chain molecule has a larger surface area as comparison to the branch chain molecules. As the branching is increases, the surface area is decreases, and due to the decrease in the surface area, the exposure or the van der Waals forces of attractions are also decreases. Therefore, the correct order of the boiling point is the neo, iso and the N. Similarly, in case of the melting point, as the chain length is increases, the melting point is also increases due to the increase in the molecular mass, and as the halogen group is changes, the molecular masses is also increases. The fluorine has the less molecular mass, chlorine has a greater molecular mass, bromine has a much more greater molecular mass as comparison to the chlorine, and the iodine having the largest molecular mass. The molecular mass of the halogen group, the melting and the boiling point is also increases in spite of the same number of the carbon atoms. Next is the melting point of the haloarenes. The melting point of the para-dihalobenzene is always higher than those of the ortho and the meta isomers. As para isomers are more symmetrical, packed closely in the crystal lattice, this leads to the stronger molecular force of attractions. In the next, the solubility of the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. This is the most important property. The solubility of the haloalkanes and the haloarenes can be explained on the basis of the hydrogen bonding. As we know, the like molecules are always soluble in the like molecules. That means the polar molecules can be soluble in the polar solvent. Non-polar molecules can be soluble in the non-polar solvent. We know the alkyl halides are the polar in nature. Alkyl halides and the alkyl aryls are highly soluble in water, but the alkyl haloalkanes and the haloarenes are immiscible in water because as they neither form the hydrogen bond or nor break the already existing hydrogen bonding. Explained in this picture. In case of the water molecules, the hydrogen bondings are more stable as comparison to the hydrogen bondings present between the alkyl halide and the water molecules. Means the alkyl halides are not capable to break the existing hydrogen bondings of the water molecules, and therefore they are the less soluble in water. The haloalkanes are soluble in the organic solvent of the low polarity such like ethers, benzene, as the new intermolecular force of attractions are similar to those in the low polarity solvent. The next one is the density. The density is the mass per unit volume. The alkyl fluoride and the alkyl chloride are generally lighter than the water. The relative density of the various alkyl halides is given as iodides having the greater density as comparison to the bromide, which having the greater density as comparison to the chloride. The density of the alkyl halides decreases as the size of the alkyl group is increases. Thank you. Then in the next lecture we will discuss the chemical properties of the haloalkanes and the haloarenes.